Hey, Coach Greg here with Squat Training, and today I have a quick and easy seated workout for a smaller waist. Maybe you were trying to tighten and tone your midsection, then this seated workout is gonna be right up your alley. So grab some water, grab a seat, and let's get started. So without further ado, let's start with our first exercise. We have trunk twist, sit up nice and tall, 30 seconds on the clock, and here we go. I like to bring my hands in front of me, and all I'm doing is twisting from side to side. I'm gonna see how far I can get my hands over and making sure the movement is coming from my obliques right here. Make sure you're nice and tall, core is tight, back is flat, and breathe. I like to also really extend with my arms, almost becomes like an isometric squeeze as well. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Next, we have prisoner oblique bends. We're gonna wanna get our hands behind our head, sit up nice and tall, and we're just gonna focus on seeing how far we can get our elbow down to our side, coming back up and over to the next. So here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's go. So again, nice and tall, just like this. For each bend, I find it easier to breathe in when I'm in the top position and then breathe out when I come over to the side, and then rinse and repeat. Also try to make sure that you're actually going from side to side. Try not to bring over to this way or bring over that way. We really want to make sure we're crunching on that side. So just like this. 3, 2, and 1 more. And done. Great job. Next, we have bicycle crunches. Similar position, hands behind the knees, hands behind your head. We're just gonna alternate between bringing an elbow to the opposite knee. Here we go, 3, 2, and 1. So we're just crunching, just like this. Again, make sure you're breathing. Breath is so important with exercise. We want to get oxygen flowing through our blood, get into those muscles. Alrighty, done. Last, we have knee tucks. You can sit on the back. I like to lean back a little bit, and all we're doing is focusing on bringing our knees to our chest. Just like that. 30 seconds, and let me just go from this side. It'll be easier to show y'all. 3, 2, and 1. So you're leaning back, knees to the chest. You can extend like this, or if you're seated near the edge, do the same thing, and just let your heels touch the ground. Just like that, whatever you feel comfortable with. The goal is we just want those knees to tuck into our chest. Also, don't just like bring your legs down. See if you can control the negative. So as you bring it down, boom, really using your core to slow the descent. 3, 2, and 1. Boom, there you have it. Those are your 4 exercises for a smaller waist. Let's grab some water and then let's get started for real. Trunk twist, 3, 2, 1, go. Prisoner oblique bends, 3, 2, 1, go. Bicycle crunches, 3, 2, 1, go. Knee tucks, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job. I know your legs, I know your core is on fire, but let's grab some water. We just got one more set to go. Prisoner oblique bends, 3, 2, 1, go. Bicycle crunches, 3, 2, 1, go. Knee tucks, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it. That was your quick and easy seated workout for a smaller waist. I feel a little bit smaller, but that's not really my goal. I'm trying to get bigger. But if your goal is to get nice and toned and slim, then these are the type of workouts that are gonna help you do just that. We have so many workouts and recipes on this channel, so if you haven't already, click the notification bell to stay on top of when any new video drops from Coach Gabby, Coach Mayer, Coach Greg, that is moi. I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.